Updating your legal name on Phemex is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update quickly. Step 1. Log into your Phemex account. Access your Phemex account by entering your credentials on the website or app. Make sure you are using the correct account that needs the name update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, find the section labeled Personal Information or Profile. This is where you can view and edit your account details, including your name. Step 4. Update your legal name. In the Personal Information section, look for the field that displays your current name. Enter your new legal name in the designated field. Ensure that the name matches your official identification documents. Step 5. Submit documentation. After entering your new name, you may be required to upload supporting documents such as a government-issued ID or a legal name change certificate. Follow the prompts to upload these documents and submit your request. Once you have completed these steps, your request will be processed by Phemex. You will receive a confirmation once your legal name has been successfully updated.